All new at 4, the sewer leak in the Industrial Canal has finally been stopped as crews just finished plugging the hole.
But leaders say that tens of millions of gallons of sewage have already seeped into that waterway. And WDSU's Alyssa Gomez is live with what's being done to protect neighbors and also what's next.
The Sewerage and Water Board just provided us an update on that leak a few minutes ago, and the sewage has stopped spilling into the Industrial Canal. But to be very clear, that does not mean that the canal is safe for recreation at this point. And since that leak started just about 10 days ago, about 40 to 50 millions of gallons of sewage have spilled into the canal. Sewerage and Water Board has been working with the Louisiana Department of Environmental Quality to test the water. SWB says that they did find high levels of fecal coliform at the site of the break, and they will continue collecting samples twice a week going forward. And they're increasing the amount of sites where they're collecting samples as well. But again, that water is not safe for recreation. With that sewage stop, though, the divers that have been heading into the water, like the ones in there right now, are having a much easier job at visualizing the extent of the damage and what's going to need to be done to repair it.
The flow stopped at noon today, and I want to say thank you, one, to the public for their patience, but also thank you to our engineers for thinking outside the box and thinking of ways that will allow us to stop this flow of sewage.
And again, to be clear, this is just a temporary fix right now, a Band-Aid, because it's going to take quite some time to make some permanent repairs. But with that spillage now stopped, those divers can see better exactly how long it's going to take for a permanent solution, how much it's going to cost, and when that water will be safe for recreation. All those questions are still unanswered at this moment. Live along the Industrial Canal, Alyssa Gomez, WDSU News.
Batteries.